How to fix? You require permission from system to make changes in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Enabling the administrator's account can grant you access to files and folders that are otherwise protected by system permissions. This account has the highest level of access on a Windows system. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Log out of your current user account and you will now see an administrator account available for login on the login screen. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.